शायनी सद्याक तूं तुज्या बुथार येवन तुवें वोट केल्लो आहा, कितें सांगचें दिसता तुका?
I think so far I'm not sure of the voting percentage कित्याक हांव भोंवताले per booth because there were a lot of complications in Kurka and all. They were not allowing our polling agents to tick mark the people that have come to vote. So we've just been busy doing that. And even for handicapped people and all, they were saying that they cannot vote because there was certain people that are paralyzed and they need a companion, right? So tenka भितर वचोंक दिनासले. So then I went and asked the presiding officer, and then after putting a bit of pressure on him, he said that you can bring them, and then the presiding officer would vote in place of him, like they would tell who to vote for and all. So Oshe, like a lot of problems, like minute problems, but they're big problems actually if you go to see. So in this way, like it almost seems like they don't want a lot of voting to take place. So I would like to urge people to just go out and take your ID card. They may not have given us slips because many people have not got slips also. So these are tactics to stop you all from using your rights. Just don't this about it. Take your voting card and go to the same booth that you all vote every year, every term. Just go to that booth, ask the BLO your serial number. They will tell you what it is and go inside and cast your vote.
तुझ्या जेडपी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जे बूथ हा पोलिंग बूथ थंय तुवें विजीट दिला आनी थोडे तुवें डिफिकल्टी लोक जे फेस करता ते नोटीस केला आनी तें प्रिसायडींग ऑफिसराक सुद्दां सांगलें मागीर एक्शन जावन कितें रिजॉल्व जाला?
Yeah, आमी follow up केला. I have called Minion sir and all, and then after that they have said, before they had said that there is a form for accompanying like a handicapped person or a paralyzed person, but then they said that presiding officer like will help them. So at least now that person is able to this, we cannot push it further, but we have done on our side whatever could be done. At least the person can go and cast a vote. But I don't think this is right because there should be at least the companion should go by the presiding officer is casting a vote for the person. What if they're not able to explain to them? Like some people are not able to talk properly, or what if they cannot understand what the person is saying? So it is a bit like iffy, like.
आयज जेडपी इलेक्शन डे आनी तूं आतांच वचोन वोट मारून भायर सरला तुज्या बुथा वयल्यान.
हय.
सो ओवरऑल पळयलें जाल्यार 5 वरां आतां सद्याक कंप्लीट जाला आनी 5 सुद्दां टायम आसा वोट करपाक लागून. इतके लोक भायर सरला तो रिस्पॉन्स पळोवन तुका कितें दिसता?
I think the response is good, at least in Santa Cruz. हांव मातशें हांगा Santa Cruz भोंवलें, and I've gone to Bati and a bit of Kurka. Kurka also had a good response in the morning time, around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in their booths. So in this way I would urge people, I think they also know that the value of their vote, and तेणे भायर सरचें and cast your vote.
फाटल्या दिसांनी तुमचे मिटींग, कॉर्नर मिटींग आनी डोर टू डोर कॅम्पेन आयज वोटींग डे आनी तुवें खुबश्या बुथाचेर विजीट दिला. कितें रिस्पॉन्स आनी सायन तुका दिश्टी पडटा ओवरऑल?
I think the response is good. People want to see a change, and they have the power in their hands as of now. So they should work towards it. And the only way is if you come out and cast your vote. And I would urge people to do that and not take it lightly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.